Hello, humanities students. So today is Tuesday. It's a catch-up day instead of Wednesday because we're doing some MCAS trial runs on Wednesday. So to quickly show you A, where to find what you're missing, and B, how to get to different places, we're going to do this quick video. So in each teams, I have posted the current grades for quarter four. Okay, it's a PDF. So you're going to open it, look for your number, find out what's blank, a 1, or a low grade. So we'll do that now. I'm just open in browser, it's fine. You're not editing, you're just locating information. So what you see here is a list of student numbers and current quarter four grades. Let's see, so this person, 118381, they did the Actively Learn, Ancient Kingdoms, Ed Puzzle. Missing Web Quests, African Kingdoms, Apartheid Ed Puzzle, they get a 20. Study.com course, they only did 1, so it's out of 50 points. If you look right here, okay, it's 50 points, and they only have 25. So they might want to go back and do that. Historical Figures of Apartheid is a 1. Okay, scroll down to the second page, 118381. Caribbean, so out of 100 points, they've only done 50, so they got to finish a couple there, and then they have all these ed puzzles that they need to finish. So that would be the priority for this student, is getting those ed puzzles and the study.coms done, as well as this blank here under Caribbean Region Country Project. So they need to get that finished, okay? So identify what you need to do. What can you get done? What can you get done the most done today? Ed puzzles and study.coms are pretty straightforward. Watch a video, answer questions. So we're going to focus on that today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a new tab. So if I go to study.com, I'm probably going to have to exit out because it's still under me. So we will sign out, and then I'll show you how to sign back in using a student number for teachers. So we're going to log in. Your email address, which is your student ID number at Springfield Public Schools. And then your password. Hopefully you set it up to be the same as your computer password. So SP and 6-digit birthday. And we're going to sign in. So this student, in order to figure out what to do, so this is the dashboard. Okay, and then you look for assignments. So these are all old assignments. So that's awesome. Completed assignments. These are things that have been done. So here you see this student has done Mesopotamia overview. So we're going to go all the way to ancient African civilizations, complete. Apartheid course, complete. Let's go to the next one because you're still looking for, here's the Caribbean, Central and South America, complete. And then this geographic influences on migration, complete. So all this studentstudy.com is done. If it was not done, it would say overdue or in progress. Okay, so if you see this next to one of these, you're going to want to, if instead of complete, you see overdue, you're going to want to finish that. Show lessons. We'll show you the 4 lessons or 2 lessons, whatever, how many are in the chapter, and then you might have 2 done. You might need to get 4 done. Okay, so that's study.com. If I'm going to show you how to find out for Edpuzzle what you need to owe, okay, you're going to go into Edpuzzle. I'm going to have to exit out of this as well, just to show you what it looks like as a student signing in. So you're going to log in. You're a student. Your username, hopefully the same as what we would use in Springfield. I might mess this one up. And then log in with Edpuzzle. Can't find that username. So let's do username this way. All right, so that's not working. So I'm gonna sign in and figure out what this person's account is. Hold on. All right, so I figured it out. I'm back. Here we go. We're gonna log in as a student. And hopefully this is the password. Oh, the username. It's one of two things. We'll figure it out. Oh, okay. So username is going to be, and the password hopefully is the same for signing on to the computer. Okay, good. So this student, you can see she's also my crew. So humanities 4, do assignments. Okay, no due date. Let's see if we did this one. And so she needs to finish this one. This is an older one. Okay, so you can see when it pops up like that. Let's show you what when you know something's completed. So say South America, you click on it, it says you're done. That's how you know something's done in Edpuzzle. So do assignments, just this one, the no due date. This was an older one, so she'll finish this. This is more of an extra credit. And she has all the other ones done that we're looking at for. Caribbean, explain the geography, culture of food, central migration, Incas, Aztecs, apartheid, sub-Saharan. These are all the ones from Q4. And then these other ones, these are the most recent. Indigenous names, introducing South America, Central America. And click on it, and it says done. All right. So that's how to find out for study.com and Edpuzzle. For teams, pretty straightforward. You're going to go into your assignments. You guys should see assigned, returned. Okay. What I see is this. So, for example, I'll have a lot of viewed, but very few turned in. So here's a student who's turned them in, which I'll look at and grade. The ones with these numbers, they've turned them in and I've graded them. So here's a couple that I need to go back and grade. Okay. So viewed. So in the process, until it says turned in, I'm not going to grade it. And just be mindful that if you turn it in and it's not actually done, I'm still going to grade what you turned in. So that's it. That's the general gist of it. Here's your Caribbean region country project, getting to know Central America. And if we scroll over, you will see ancient African kingdom and important historical figures of the apartheid. So those are the 4 major projects in team. Most everything else can be found in study.com or Edpuzzle. So in the hour that you have in class, I would highly recommend doing some study.coms, especially the ones that are worth 100 points, like Caribbean and Ancient African Kingdoms, or some Edpuzzles. Okay, those are 20 points each. So 5 of them is going to be 100 points that gets added to your score. And that's where we're at. All right, everyone, have a great day. And email me when you do something. Okay, when you complete something, email me so that I can quick check it and update your grade. Okay, bye.